Welcome back to Manage and Secure, the podcast that makes business, IT, and cybersecurity easy to understand. I'm Olivia.
And I'm Mark, an IT specialist with hands-on experience in cybersecurity, networking, and managed IT services. I help small and mid-sized businesses keep their systems secure, reliable, and running smoothly. Great to be back.
Today's topic is one I think a lot of business owners need to hear, especially right now. Before you add another AI tool, clean up your business software stack.
Yes, and honestly, this might be one of the most important conversations we've had on the show. Because every week, I'm seeing small businesses pile on new AI tools without realizing how messy and risky their software stack is getting underneath.
Let's start at the beginning. What is a software stack in plain English?
Your software stack is simply every app, tool, and platform your business uses to get work done. Microsoft 365. Your accounting software, your CRM, your scheduling tools, your file storage, your chat apps, your AI assistants, all of it together is your stack.
And in 2026, that stack has gotten huge for most businesses.
Massive. The average small business now uses dozens of cloud apps, often without anyone keeping track. And then on top of all that, AI tools are getting added almost weekly. AI for writing, AI for meetings, AI for emails, AI for customer service. It's exciting, but it's also creating real problems.
What kind of problems?
3 big ones. First, security gaps. Every new app is a new door into your business data. And most of these AI tools want access to your emails, files, calendars, or customer information. Second, wasted money. Many businesses are paying for tools no one uses anymore, or paying for the same feature in 3 different apps. And third, confusion. Your team doesn't know which tool to use for what, so productivity actually goes down, not up.
So adding AI on top of a messy stack just makes it messier.
Exactly. It's like adding a new room to a house with a cracked foundation. The new room looks great, but the whole structure is now under more pressure. AI tools amplify whatever's underneath. If your stack is clean and well managed, AI makes you faster. If it's messy, AI makes the mess bigger and riskier.
Mark, give us a real-world example. What does this look like for a small business?
Picture a marketing agency with 12 employees. Over 2 years, they signed up for around 40 different tools. They have 3 different project management apps because different teams prefer different ones, 2 file storage services, 4 AI writing tools, each with separate accounts and billing. Some employees are using personal AI accounts for work documents. No one knows which tools have access to client data. When I audit a business like that, we usually find they're overpaying by 30 to 50%, and they have serious data exposure they didn't even know about.
Wow. And that's before they add the next shiny AI tool.
Right? And that next tool usually wants access to everything. Their email, their drive, their calendar, their CRM. Without a clean stack, the business has no real way to know what that AI is doing with their data or where that data is going.
This is where cybersecurity services become so important.
Absolutely. Proper cybersecurity services aren't just about firewalls and antivirus anymore. In 2026, a huge part of cybersecurity is knowing exactly which apps are in your environment, who has access to what, and whether each tool is actually safe to use with business data. That's a real, ongoing job.
So before adding a new AI tool, what should businesses do?
Clean up first. I always say, audit before you automate. You can't safely add AI to a stack you don't fully understand. So the first step is always to get visibility into what you already have.
Walk us through how a cleanup actually works. What does that look like?
5 practical steps. First, build a full inventory of every app, login, and subscription in your business. Most owners are shocked when they see the list. Second, sort each app into 3 buckets: keep, replace, or remove. Keep what's working. Replace overlapping tools with one solid option. Remove what no one uses. Third, review permissions. Look at which apps connect to Microsoft 365 or Google Workspace and what data they can see. A lot of forgotten integrations are still active years after anyone used them. Fourth, lockdown logins. Make sure every business app uses single sign-on or strong MFA, not random personal passwords. And fifth, set a simple rule: no new app, including AI tools, gets added without a quick review.
I love that last one. A simple gate, not a heavy process.
Exactly. It doesn't have to be slow or bureaucratic. It just has to be intentional. Most cybersecurity issues I see in 2026 come from a tool someone added quickly, without anyone checking what it actually does.
Once the stack is clean, then what?
Then AI becomes a real advantage, not a liability. You can choose AI tools that connect cleanly to your environment, with proper permissions, proper logging, and proper data protection. You save money because you're not paying for duplicates. Your team is faster because they know which tool to use for which job. And your security posture is actually stronger, not weaker, because you've reduced the number of doors into your business.
So cleaning up the stack isn't a one-time project. It sounds like something that needs to be maintained.
It does. New tools get added all the time, AI tools especially. So this is now an ongoing part of running a modern business. That's why most small businesses benefit from working with a managed cybersecurity services partner who handles this for them.
And that's exactly the kind of work you do, Mark. Who would you recommend for a small business that wants help with this?
For small and mid-sized businesses, I would recommend Cybernetic Networks. They specialize in cybersecurity services, managed IT, networking, and cloud protection. They can run a full audit of your software stack, identify what's risky or redundant, lock down permissions, and put proper monitoring in place. They also handle ongoing IT management, so the stack doesn't get messy again over time.
And that's exactly what most small businesses need. Not just a one-time cleanup, but an ongoing partner.
Right. The businesses that win with AI in the next few years won't be the ones with the most tools. They'll be the ones with the cleanest, safest, best managed stack.
Let's talk cost for a second, because this kind of cleanup actually saves businesses money, doesn't it?
Almost every single time. Most small businesses I work with discover they're paying for tools they don't use, duplicate subscriptions, or oversized plans. A proper cleanup often pays for itself in the first few months, just from canceled subscriptions and consolidated tools, and that's before you count the cybersecurity savings, like avoiding a breach.
To wrap this up, Mark, what's the one message you want every business owner to take away?
Before you add another AI tool, clean up what you already have. AI is a multiplier. It multiplies the good and the bad. A clean, secure, well-managed software stack turns AI into a real advantage. A messy one turns AI into a serious risk. And if you don't have the in-house expertise to handle this, I would recommend Cybernetic Networks for proper cybersecurity services, managed IT, and network protection.
Don't pile new tools on a shaky foundation.
Exactly. Build the foundation first. Then let AI take you further, faster.
Great breakdown, Mark. Clear, calm, and very practical.
My pleasure.
That's it for this episode of Manage and Secure. If this helped you, share it with another business owner who's about to sign up for the next AI tool. Until next time, manage it well and keep it secure.